What's your thoughts about that, Daddy? I would rather be happy than right.
Couldn't agree more.
Yeah?
So
even if you're wrong, as long as you're happy?
Yeah, like I'm always right.
You're always right.
I'm always right when we fight. But sometimes I just let you win because I'd rather be happy.
How about that? Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? The monkey. No more monkey. Yay! Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back sa ating channel. Say welcome back to our channel. Oh no, 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 no.
I don't want it.
You don't want it? Okay. Okay. Happy Wednesday, everyone. Ang ating baby girl ay wala sa childcare, obviously. And yun, nandito siya sa bahay.
That's my tree.
What?
My tree.
What is it now?
My tree.
The tree? Tree?
Pizza kit. Pizza kit.
Paris and Daddy Mike are going to...
Park.
Park? You went to the park already.
I found this hat. I found the hole.
Did you put your finger on the hole?
Yeah, press my knee.
Did you bump your knee?
I got big.
Did you bump your knee?
I'm going to the outside.
Where are you going now?
I'll go to the park.
Going to
a shop.
the shop.
I got a big boo-boo.
You got a big boo-boo.
I got that.
There, baby. It's okay. I know it hurts. Wipe your tears away. Bandage and a kiss just right. Mwah. Will make your boo-boo feel alright.
I feel better, Mommy.
Oh, it's better. That's good. I'm very happy.
Paris said, Mommy.
Yes, Mommy.
And my arm is so red. Ari, dee, get pink.
Pink. Daddy wearing pink.
What is this, right?
Kiss Mommy. Enjoy your walk with Daddy.
Okay,
Say bye, Tita. Bye, Tito.
Bye, Tita. Bye, Tito.
Bye,
Bye, Baba.
I'm going to the shop.
I go to the shop.
Enjoy. Here's Daddy Mike.
Water bottle instead?
Where's the water bottle? Yeah.
There.
Okay, Mama will get your water bottle, Paris. Hindi pa rin siya tapos sa kanyang BINGO, guys. Oh, water bottle. We leave this one here, okay? Do you want this?
I put it in bucket.
Put where?
Put it in Daddy.
Put in the fridge.
In Daddy.
Put in the fridge.
Put in Daddy.
Okay. Concerts, baby Paris. Wow. Bye, Paris. Say hi to Uncle Jamie. Okay.
I got the doctor. I got the doctor.
You go to the doctor?
Because the bed.
Enjoy your walk. See you, Daddy. Kaalis na si Baby Paris at saka si Daddy Mike. So, as mentioned, hindi pumunta si Paris sa childcare today kasi kaninang umaga, nung niready ko siya, dinala na talaga namin siya ni Daddy Mike sa sasakyan. Pero, she was crying and parang wala siya sa mood. And because last night, parang meron siyang temperature. So, I feel like she's not feeling 100%. Kaya sabi ko kay Daddy Mike na let's just not push her to go to school. And yeah, just get her to stay at home. Kaya yun. Pero I think okay naman yung pakiramdam niya, guys. Kasi kanina, she was playing, she was watching cartoons sa TV, tapos she was dancing. Narinig nyo naman kanina, nakita nyo naman. She was enjoying her singing, diba? The last night, yeah, she was a bit hot. Pero kaninang umaga, okay na naman siya. Siguro kailangan lang siguro niyang magpahinga. Maybe she just, I don't know, spent all her energy sa school yesterday. Magto 2 o'clock na pala siya ng hapon, guys. And I'm still working. As you can see, nandito ako ngayon sa harapan ng aking computers. Yeah, it's been a busy day. But, yeah, I'm not complaining. And isi-share ko pala sa inyo, guys. So, the other day, hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Kasi, nag-LQ kami ni Daddy Mike. LQ talaga. Nag-LQ kami na to the point na dinilit niya yung Instagram app niya sa kanyang phone. Di ba mention ko the other day sa inyo na merong nanlalandi kay Daddy Mike sa Instagram, yung may-ari ng cafe doon sa old place namin. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, hindi ako nasiselo sa mga ganyan, guys. Kasi I know naman Daddy Mike, and also Daddy Mike told him already na he's not interested in that. You know, he's got family, he's got a wife, he's got a kid. Which this guy knows naman, diba? So, I thought na end na yung conversation doon, guys. So, the next day, sinabihan na naman ako ni Daddy Mike na nag-message ulit yung guy sa kanya at yung sabi na they should catch up for a drink. Ganon. So, parang, ang tawag dito, of course, hindi ako nasiyahan, guys, nung narinig ko yun. Kasi, itong lalaking to, bakit hindi niya tantanan si Daddy Mike? Kasi, nasabi na naman ni Daddy Mike sa kanya yung gustong sabihin ni Daddy Mike. Siguro si Daddy Mike yung nabuntunan ko ng galit ko, guys. Tapos, sinabihan ko si Daddy Mike, wow, he's still messaging you because you're entertaining him. Kasi, nagre-reply si Daddy Mike. Tapos, sabi ni Daddy Mike sa akin na, nireplyan ko lang naman siya para ang tawag ito, para sabihin yun nga na hindi siya interested, ganito, ganyan. But this guy just keeps on messaging him, guys. Kaya yun, sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, ini-entertain mo kasi, kaya ganyan, ganyan, blah, 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 blah. So, hindi ko na inimix si Daddy Mike. Tapos, sabi ni Daddy Mike sa akin na, alangan naman daw i-block niya yung tao na hindi daw siya ganon kababa. Ganun, hindi daw siya ganun ka low yung pagkatao niya para mang-block ng tao. Yung ginawa niya, dinilit niya yung app niya sa phone. So, naglagay, nakita ko yung yung parang story niya sa Instagram na if ever, you know, yung para sa mga friends niya, if ever na kailangan niyo ako, i-message na lang ako sa WhatsApp kasi dinilit niya yung app niya sa phone niya. So, hindi na niya makikita yung mga message or anything. For me naman, hindi na niya kailangan talagang i-delete yung app niya sa phone. But, yeah, after that day, I felt okay na naman. Alam niyo yun, parang umokay na naman yung pakiramdam ko. And then, nag-usap kami, ganito, ganyan. And yeah, I'm just hoping na he'll stop. Kasi I don't want to get to the point na ako pa yung magme-message sa kanya to tell him to stop messaging Mike. Kasi I don't want to, yeah, ayoko lang talagang dumating sa punto na yun, guys. Kasi I think that is very low na, diba? Nirerespeto ko siya, kaya hindi ko siya mini-message to let him know na kailangan na niyang i-stop yung pag-message niya kay Daddy Mike. Pero wala siyang respeto sa akin, sa amin, na alam niya may pamilya sa Daddy Mike. At nandun pa siya, nandut-dut pa rin kay Daddy Mike para daw sila mag-drinks daw, ganito, ganyan. And then what? After drinks, what? Alam niyo yun? Oh, I seriously don't understand, guys. But anyways, I have to get back to work now quickly kasi dami pang dapat gawin. Pero guys, just letting you know, okay na kami ni Daddy Mike ngayon. Just that day. And, yeah, may lang, mini love quarrel lang. But, yeah, we're all good right now. Now, 5:20 ng hapon. And, ang ating baby girl ay nandito. Nagdididi siya, guys. So, hindi ko ipapakita. Anyways, mainit-init na naman ang ating baby, guys. I think she's not feeling well. And yeah, may fever na naman ang ating baby, guys. I'm not too sure kasi kanina okay na naman siya, 'di ba? Nagpakanta-kanta pa nga siya, 'di ba? Medyo late na silang bumalik ni Daddy Mike dito kanina. Nilakad-lakad siya ni Daddy Mike tapos hanggang nakatulog siya sa pram. At nung pagbalik nila dito ay yung pagkagising niya lang talaga. Naglaro kami konti. And then, nag-work pa ako. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, Mommy, sit on the couch. Sabi niya. Tapos, alam ko na yung gusto niya, guys. Pag gusto niya akong mag-sit on the couch. Kaya, ayun. Nag-daddy siya and nakatulog siya, guys. Gising na ang ating baby girl. Hello! Tingnan niyo, guys. Kanina, natutulog siya. Medyo mainit. Pero, pagkagising niya, okay lang naman siya, guys. Ayan, gusto pa nga niyang mag-bath. Oh, baby. Are you baby Sander in the bath? Tapos na si baby girl natin mag-bath. Nak, are you fresh na, Nak?
No.
Ay, so fresh naman na mong baby girl. Ay. Binibigyan ko siya ng snack, guys. Ayaw niya. Apple or orange. Or, ay, mandarin pala to. And then some crackers. You don't want it, Nak? 7 o'clock na pala ng gabi, guys. Pero hindi pa siya madilim sa labas kasi daylight savings. Pero, I'm still thinking if lalabas ako or not. Kasi gusto kong pumunta doon sa parcel box na malapit lang dito sa bahay, guys. May kailangan kasi akong i-post. And si Paris, ayaw naman niyang maglakad. Gusto niyang magsasakyan. Gusto niyang pumunta ng shops. Sabi ko, late naman, Nak. Yung ipopost ko sana, guys, ay ito. Do you remember this, guys? Ito yung pinakita ko sa inyo last week, I think, na binili ko from eBay. Ayan, yung Ralph Lauren na top. Ayan. Tinry ko siya, but I don't really like it. Like, hindi siya bagay sa katawan ko. It's just not flattering on me, guys. Kaya, napag-isipan ko na ibenta siya. So, pinost ko siya sa website kung saan ko pinopost yung mga damit na binibenta ko. And then, may nag-message sa akin kagabi or no, 2 nights ago. Tinanong niya ako kung okay ba daw sa akin na mag-swap. And I don't mind swapping, guys, clothes. Kasi, yeah, for me, it's clothes. You know what I mean? You can wash it. Whatever, and like this, it's brand new too. And sabi ko sa kanya, yes, like, what have you got available? Kasi, of course, like, gusto kong makita muna kung ano yung gusto niyang iswap dito, diba? So, meron din siya sa account din niya, guys. Meron din siyang nakapost ng mga damit. And, meron akong nagustuhan na shirt na Tommy Hilfiger. It's just a normal crop top, I think. And nagustuhan ko yun, guys. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, okay, I'll choose this one. Is that okay? Kasi same lang yung presyo namin. And then, she said, okay. Kaya yun, guys. Bumili ako nito. Ayan. Pero kailangan ko pa siyang i-post sa, kasi pumunta ako ng post office. Pero hindi ko dinala ito. Kaya yung binili ko, yung satchel lang. Pero ilalagay ko na to siya dito para ma-post ko na. Siguro, si Daddy Mike dito, tsaka si Paris dito lang sa bahay. Ako na lang yung maglalakad papunta doon before siya mag-nighttime. Kasi late na. Actually, guys, change plan tayo. Kasi, ayokong iwan si Paris. Guys, nandun siya sa kwarto, nanonood ng kanyang iPad. Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, kasi every morning naman, maaga si Daddy Mike, naglalakad, papuntang cafe. Sabi ko, dalhin mo na lang to and i-drop mo na lang bukas ng umaga. There's no difference naman kung i-drop ko ngayon or bukas. It will be picked up tomorrow. So, it's not gonna be a problem. Anyways, Daddy is ordering dinner, guys.
I'm cooking it.
Cooking?
I'm
Cooking siya Indian food.
I'm already halfway through making it.
Cooking while sitting on the couch.
That's right.
Yeah. And we'll go see Paris. Oh, actually, i-share ko pala yung ating positive quote of the day. Baka makalimutan natin. And this is what it says. I would rather be happy than right. What's your thoughts about that, Daddy? I would rather be happy than right.
Couldn't agree more.
Yeah?
So
even if you're wrong, as long as you're happy?
Yeah, like I'm always right.
You're always right.
I'm always right when we fight. But sometimes I just let you win because I'd rather be happy.
That's a really good example.
You're the opposite. You'll never say sorry first. Regardless if you're right or wrong. Me, I'll say sorry. I'm pretty sure I said sorry to you first.
Ang ganda na example ni Daddy Mike, guys. I would rather be happy than right. Pag nag-aaway daw kami. Ayun.
I can be right, just not in your eyes.
Meron nang nagmamamami doon. Yes, my love? How's my baby girl? It's finished now.
No.
Come, let's go out now.
No,
In the lunchroom.
I got the car.
Do you want to go in the car? Where do you want to go?
I got the shop.
What are you going to buy from the shop? Look, show your butterfly. Wow.
No, I don't want to.
What is that, Paris? Dinner is ready.
Say thank you, Tito.
Josh, yung buhok. Josh, yung buhok. What have you got in there, Nak? Show Mommy, B. Show Mommy what you've got in there. B. What is that? We've got, is this beef vindaloo? Beef vindaloo, and we've got saffron rice. And this is the bread.
Wow.
Wow! Are you gonna eat the bread? The naan bread? Oh,
It's for Daddy.
it's for Daddy. That's for Paris.
It's for Daddy.
Okay.
Do you like this one?
No.
What's Paris doing? She's a beautiful girl. Wow, beautiful girl.
No, the rock.
What's that?
The rock. It's a rock.
It's a brush.
It's not the book.
It doesn't work? Hi guys, it's now 9 o'clock and kakalabas ko lang sa shower guys. Tingnan nyo, ang aking buhok ay basang-basa pa. Oh. And si Paris ngayon, tingnan nyo, oh, nagli-lipstick. Is that your lipstick? Wow. Wow. Oh my God, yeah guys, diba sabi ko before na si Paris dapat nasa bed na 8:30. Yung mami niya ay nagligo-ligo pa, tingnan nyo. Natagalan. Oh, basang-basa pa ang buhok. Matutulog na naman tong basang buhok. Yung ano kasi guys, yung blow dry namin dito, kay Daddy Mike yun. And then, pag ano siya guys, pag turn on ko siya, parang nangangamoy. Parang nasusunog ba? Kaya hindi ko ginagamit, ina-air dry ko na lang ang aking buhok. Alin na anak? Kinuhanan ko na si Paris ng kanyang damit pang tulog. Para makatulog na yan siya. The lipstick? Where did you put it?
There.
Go get it, honey. Go get it. Ayan, okay naman siya guys. Oh, hindi siya mainit. Kaninang hapon, mainit siya. Hopefully, maganda yung tulog niya tonight. Hindi siya mainit ba? Kasi may school pa yan siya bukas. Anak? 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
No, Mary. Don't mind the bird. Don't mind the bird. Don't mind the bird. Why for me by good. Mama called the doctor said, No, monkey jump in the bed.
How about the Humpty Paris
Sat on the swing.
sat on the swing?
Mommy, want to play iPad?
Do you want to play iPad? What do you say to mommy?
Please.
Please, kiss it to mommy. Quick. Quick. Ay, George man niya. Ay, George man niya ang baby na mo. I-turn on natin guys, pero lagyan natin ng timer. Hala, yung mo nang bugto na. Yung mo nang gibugto-bugto ang ating wire. So, ayan siya guys. So, ito. Here's, alam ni Paris. Oh. So, tingnan nyo. Time's up. Kasi, inanhan namin yan kanina.
Mama?
Yes, Mama will fix. So, ito siya. Tapos, may nakalagay na ganyan, guys. So, sabi, 2 times 6, lagyan mo 12. Kasi yung anak. Kasi yung baby, hindi naman yan alam. So, hindi niya ma-open. Ayan, anak, Mama will choose. Alam, guys. Alam na alam niya, guys. Oo na. Hala, dinrag niya talaga pang matagalan talaga. Hanggang bukas siya matapos ba. Hang on, Mama will answer, anak, be. Siya, guys. 20 minutes. Are you happy now? Yes? Say thank you, Mommy.
Nice one.
Thank you, Mommy.
It's now 10 o'clock and nandito ako sa kabilang kwarto. Nakatulog na ang ating baby girl. And lumabas lang ako para i-end yung ating vlog. Thank you for today and pasensya na kung boring yung ating vlog kasi sa loob lang tayo ng bahay, hindi tayo nakaalis. But yeah, I really appreciate your time watching this video. And ngayon ay mag-shoutout lang tayo. And the first shoutout goes to Jubilee Notarte from Cebu, Lisan Bansil from Lubao, Pampanga, Egipel Black from Washington State. Shout out to Lovela Raduk and also to sa kanyang anak daw na si Kazaya Elaine Raduk. Shout out to Arlindi Torres, Mercedita Oypala, Lynn Ahmad, Hazel Pasatiempo, Susing Sales, Norberta Nuno, Emelita Menor, Joanne Ambe, Jeneline Balcorsa, Ala Maria's Vlog, Zel Masiastom, Medin Maraon, Jing De Asis, Jimeline Tato, Maria Victoria Pangan, Riz Channel, Teresita Abaluyan, Feli Elamparo, Helms Jordan, Queen Survivor TV, and Cherry Salazar. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye. Mwah.